All right, what's up, Tycoon? Super excited for today's video. We're gonna go over DDD, 3D Systems Inc. Um, which I really like this stock a lot, honestly. Okay, I think that 3D printing is going to be very, implemental and just a big part of the future of just the human race in general, right? For space exploration, for instance, they'll be printing things on a 3D printer in their spaceships, right? So instead of like having to bring all the supplies, or hey, let's say like they're missing a supply, or some type of piece broke or something like that, for instance, um they're up in space, they can't just go back and go get the piece, right? But essentially they'll have a 3D printer up there and they'll be able to print whatever pieces they need, and it goes far beyond that, but those are just some of the potentials. Okay, I mean, so that's the main reason that I follow DDD and I track DDD. Now, in full transparency, I do not own any of the stock currently. I sold all of my stocks back in December, just as in kind of anticipation of this, right? And in anticipation of this bearish stock market that we've had since basically November to now, has been pretty painful for most people. All right, so if you want to join the Discord and find out and get some buy and sell alerts, okay, figure out when we're buying and what we're buying, and when we're selling and what we're selling, the link to join the Discord is going to be in the description below. um so you're probably looking at this and wondering, what is this giant box right here, right? There's a huge box. I have a rectangle in bright blue. Well, this was a daily gap down that DDD had to fill after its amazing earnings rally. All right. So, they reported earnings here, a couple days ago on Tuesday after the market closed, and just skyrocketed up. Okay. They skyrocketed up. And then we opened up the next day on Wednesday, and there was this huge gap down to fill, down to 18 bucks, and it just blew right through it. Okay, it blew right through it. And our old resistance level 1751 was supposed to be a support level for us to bounce at, and it went right back to a resistance level. Okay, now currently there's potential we could head all the way back down to $15, right? So if you're looking to trade or things like that, getting in this morning would have been a nice entry on some shorts. If we look just in general at, let's take a look at QQQ. All right, the market is down today. All right, look at QQQ, down 1.18% currently. Look at that giant red candle as soon as the market opened. Okay, big red candle. So that's why stocks like DDD and stuff are still going down. Not only besides the gap, okay, because we already filled this gap. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove that drawing. And what you're looking at now is a head and shoulders. Okay, here's our head, here's our left shoulder, here's our right shoulder, and the target, okay, is going to be $15. It's going to be back to these lows of $15. Now, the only way this happens is if we break this previous support level of $16 that we've been finding some support at. Okay, if we look previously here, we found some support along 16 and rallied up. And today DDD is bouncing right along this trend line. So it may bounce up a little bit, but if there's no strong amount of buyers coming in, because look at the volume. Okay, this is huge selling volume right here. That's the volume is right here. Okay, guys, so I'll draw a little circle on it. Just huge volume spike right there. And then after that, volume's been dying off. Buyers aren't really stepping in too much. If you notice here, the buying volume candles are lower than the selling volume candles, right? Today we have very low volume. So I mean, nothing too major going on. This has kind of been predictable, or able to foresee. But yeah, we really need to hold this 16 level as support and maintain support right there at $16. If we break that support level over the next couple days or the next week, we could be heading back down to $15 to complete the head and shoulders pattern. All right. So thank you guys for watching the video. Let me know what kind of stocks you want charted up. All right, I do viewer requests all the time. A couple of the videos I uploaded today actually were viewer requests from the comment section, so hit me up in the comment section down below. Let me know what stocks you guys are looking at and what stocks you want charted up to see if there's any bearish or bullish patterns, any indicators we could tell possibly of what the stock is going to do here in the short term. Or if you're looking for some long-term buy zones, just holler at me. Okay. If you want to trade with us, gain access to the Discord, our entries and exits, all of the tycoon analysis, and just plenty of resources. Okay, there's so many resources in the Discord that you're not going to get anywhere else, honestly, really. So, the link to join is in the description. Use code Zachly, like the channel name, ZachlyTrades, and you'll get a discount on your membership. All right.